In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable shorts on YouTube. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up YouTube, then go to the bottom menu and select on the option over here that says You. Then go to the top right and select on the gear icon right over here, and all we're going to be doing is we're going to be pressing on general just like so, and then all you want to do is you want to select on the option that says playback in feeds, and from here all you want to do is you want to turn this off just like so. And then once you're done with that, all you need to do is you need to go ahead and exit out your settings, then go back to the home page, and over here you'll notice that we will still have some shorts. So what we need to do is we need to go ahead and find the short section, then go to the top right of every single short, and you'll notice that there will be 3 buttons. Go ahead and press on that like so, and then select on the option that says not interested, and basically do it for all of the reels that you do see right over here, just like so. Now, whenever we do go ahead and refresh our page, you'll now notice that no YouTube shorts will appear. And also, if we go to our sub box, there will also be no YouTube shorts. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.